Uh, l- Let me introduce my guest to you this evening. Rajshri Lahiri, spokesperson of the BJP. Ashwini Dubey is advocate of the Supreme Court. I think he's running a little late. That's what my producer is telling me. Dr. Rijuju Datta is spokesperson of the TMC. Aditya Pratap is an advocate. He is joining us on the broadcast as well. Who should I start with? For obvious reasons, Mr. Rajshri Lahiri, I will start with you. Good evening. I hope you are doing well. Yesterday, we were all wondering whether the predictions we are making on the show are correct or not. Turns out the predictions were absolutely right. You have a very respected voice from the legal world, Dushyant Dave, saying that this is nothing but corruption in the higher judiciary. This is judicial corruption that should be punished. How is Justice Gangopadhyay getting a ticket from the BJP? Why should anyone not consider it a bribe from the BJP to a man who decided many cases against the TMC? ये तो quid pro quo का मामला है पूरा, Rajshri Lahiri.
I heard a senior advocate. Probably he's not aware of the situation that's going over here in West Bengal and about the cases which Justice Gangopadhyay was dealing with. It's all about the scams of the Trinamool Congress. When nobody knew him, when all the cases went to him and he started delivering his verdicts, his observations and everything. And he became a messiah of the entire people who were deprived of their jobs, the SSC and the different government jobs and all, whose jobs were sold out, or in Trinamool Congress, MLAs, their family members of the MLAs, they received those jobs, they got jobs. Nobody knows out of what all those things were that came up, and MLA's daughter were also asked to, leave that job and all. Now the question is that, first of all, there is no legal foundations. Nothing is stated in the constitution that you cannot leave your job and join a political party. Secondly, does this mean that all the scams that had happened in West Bengal, the amount of money that was recovered from a minister's girlfriend's house, 52 crores, 11 kilos of gold, a Trinamool Congress MLA and a minister whose office was raided, an unaccounted fixed deposit of 10 crores was found out. His daughter has a balance of 3.5 crores, which is stated to have been earned by
Mr. Lahiri.
Now, it does not mean that all these things have not happened. Corruption in West Bengal has not happened by the Trinamool Congress. For 1,000 days, these students,
Mr. Lahiri,
job seekers,
I'm not even questioning. I am not even questioning whether corruption in West Bengal has happened or not. All of us have seen those wads of notes coming out of the residential property that you're talking about. And of course, corruption has happened. I'm not denying that for 1 minute. But I am asking you, is it okay in the BJP's books to be lying and talking to a sitting judge of the Calcutta High Court before he has, by the way, quit, and offering him a party ticket?
And the party has not yet offered him a ticket. Is it proper
now? Again, you will say it's not illegal?
The party has not yet offered him a ticket.
Of course.
No. Just
a minute. Have you heard, Mr. Lahiri, have you heard the press conference today? Okay, it will eventually offer him a ticket, but did you hear his press conference?
Yes.
Yeah, so what has he said in his press conference? He has said that in the last 7 days, I was in touch with the BJP and the BJP was in touch with us. So it is kosher for a political party to be in touch with a sitting High Court judge and offering him a ticket, right? It's okay. Is it okay in the BJP's books and your books, Mr. Lahiri?
Let me finish. Number one, he has not yet been declared any ticket, offered any ticket. No decision has been taken. Secondly, in the last 7 days, the justice himself has stated that I have not been sitting in his court for last 7 days as well. That has also been stated. Now the question is that there are empty number of such examples in India wherein judges have joined a political party, fought, contested an election. Now what you said that you are not saying corruption has happened. Let me finish.
Our viewers, So no.
Let me just
let others come in. Let other come. Okay. Go ahead. Finish. 20 seconds. Finish, and then I'll get the TMC spokesperson. Go ahead.
He has not been attending his courtroom for last 7 days, and now there have been examples in India before him, and the corruption that has happened. He has delivered justice, and he's not even one. He's not the single judge in whose courtroom these scams are being now. These court cases are running. There are so many. Justice
Dr.